What if I told you that your low engagement has nothing to do with your content? There is only one missing element that is killing your comments, save, replies, and no one is talking about it. Hi guys, I am Fatima, and today in this video, I'm going to break down the one key element behind real engagement, why most creators skip it, and how you can apply it immediately to get real engagement. So let's get started. So the problem is most people think engagement is about tactics like post consistently, follow trends, use viral hooks, ask questions in the captions. But honestly, none of this advice is wrong. Here is the frustrating part. You can do all of this and still get low engagement. You post regularly, your content is valuable, people watch, but they don't respond. And that's exactly where most creators start blaming the algorithm, their platform, their niche. And the problem is, your content is not connecting to them emotionally. So the missing element in your content is emotional alignment. Emotional alignment means matching your content to your audience's current emotions and intentionally shifting them to a more positive state or solution. Engagement is not logical, engagement is emotional. People don't comment because they were informed, they comment because they felt seen. They don't share because it was useful, they share because it understands them. Now, why this is ignored? Most people start the content with one question: what do I want to say? But high engagement creators start with a different question: how does my audience feel before they see this content? Are they confused, overwhelmed, worried, tired of the generic videos and their answers? So if your content doesn't meet them emotionally, they will scroll even if your content is super good. So here is the simple framework you can use for your every piece of content. There are 3 steps. Step 1 is identify the current emotion. Ask yourself, what is my audience feeling right now? What they are struggling with? For example, are they confused about strategy, overwhelmed by too much advices, doubtful about their skill, frustrated with low results? Step 2. Decide on the emotional transformation. Ask yourself, how do you want them to feel after consuming this content? If they were confused, they should feel clear. If they were frustrated, they should feel validated now. If they were doubtful, they should feel confident now. Step 3. Design content for that shift. This affects your hook, your tone, your examples, your CTA. Engagement happens during the emotional shift, not at the end. So let's take an example. Let's say 5 tips to improve your engagement strategy. That is not an emotionally aligned title. Why it fails? Because it feels generic, no emotional entry point, feels like any other video, right? So now let's take another example. That is, if you're posting consistently but no one is engaging, it's not your content, it's what you're missing. Now that sounds relatable, right? Now you feel like, yeah, I want to watch this video. It solves your problem. Now why it works? It works because it validates the viewers. It names the frustration. It earns the trust. It invites the response. That's it. So now you can see the comparison. Now let's move to the actionable steps. Here are the 3 things that you can apply in your content right now. Step 1. Start hook with a feeling, not with format. Instead of 3 things to improve your engagement strategy, try. If you're posting consistently but getting no response, try this. Step 2. Write captions like conversation. Talk to one person, not an audience. You can use if you feel, you're not alone if, most people struggle with. Step 3. Make your CTA emotional. If this sounds like you, comment yes and I will send you the source file. If your engagement strategy only focuses on what to post, you are missing the most important part, like how your audience feel. Engagement is not about the content volume. It's about emotional connection. If this changed how you think about engagement, comment engage and I will send you the engagement framework. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Social Boo, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.